Hey guys, what's going on? So today we're going to be doing a video on Tiny Temptations. They are 2-ounce glasses, as you can see here. Just be sure to check my video description for some more information. So Tiny Temptations are great glasses for anything from like little mini appetizers to little mini desserts. You could put all different things in them. Mini drinks, as you can see. The reason I purchased them is as a part-time job. Sometimes I do liquor tastings. So what I do is I go to restaurants, bars, and liquor stores and we will sample whatever brand our company wants us to push, and people will just have like a little 1-ounce sample of whatever it is. So I forget exactly what I was making with these glasses. I want to say it was for New Year's Eve, and we were doing Prosecco with Chambord. So that's actually a great idea. Like if you're having a holiday or anything like that, you can make little mini cocktails. Like when people walk in, you know, like if you have a wedding or something, they always do like a champagne and strawberries upon arrival when you walk into the venue. That's usually what they'll do. So that's something you could use these for, like a wedding or a fancy event. I could see putting like little mini chocolate mousses on here. They use these on cruise ships. The picture here is like a pasta with shrimp, with the grapes. So that's like one good idea. And then the top here, it just gives you like different ideas on the box, which is great. This is a dessert, it looks like some kind of yummy dessert. And the glasses come in 2 pieces, so it's this bottom piece and this top piece. All you do is you put the top piece on top of the bottom piece and screw it in twice, and it is good to go. Yeah, these are great just for so many different things. So if you have any kind of fancy event you need to cater or something like that, these are great to have. And great for like little mini cocktails, get-togethers, and all of that. So they come with 12 pieces, 2-ounce tiny teenies, and they are available in 4 colors. I just got the plastic clear because that was just what I felt like was the easiest thing. Tells you the website here is the Fineline settings. It's the little things that count. I just think they're super cute. And when I was doing my tasting with these, I was receiving a lot of compliments about that. People telling me, oh my goodness, these are such cute glasses. And they really are. And they're pretty sturdy, which is nice. They fit nicely on a tray. So you can put them on a tray and give whatever you're sampling out to people. You could do like a girls' night with mini martinis in these, because they really are like mini martini glasses. That is what they look like. And they're actually they're good quality. Like I said, they're sturdy. You guys can tell by looking at it, but oh, and they're recyclable too, by the way. Like they're not gonna like fall apart or crack or anything like that. And the packaging is great. So if you order them online, it's not likely that they will be damaged. And they are wrapped in plastic individually. So the bottom comes wrapped in plastic, and then the top, as you can see, is like a cone. That's the bottom. And then this is the top. Screws right in. These are great for restaurants, catering halls. I know a lot of people sometimes will do their own catering for parties. Sorry, hard to do this with one hand. Hard to screw it in with one hand. Okay, so I needed both my hands actually to do that. But yeah, very easy to put together. I just wanted to show you guys that. So I highly recommend these for your parties, catering events, all that stuff. Cute little glasses, girls' night. I hope you guys found the video useful for Tiny Temptations 12-piece, 2-piece glasses. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please feel free to leave a comment. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.